GXAI Stock Analysis and Price Predictions. Is it a buy? Watch this short 1-minute video till the end to find out. So looking at GXAI, just Gaxos AI, whatever pronunciation is there, it's 27% down, and I'm actually kind of giving it last chances for it to redeem itself before everything kind of plummets. Before this range plummets, you know, it's not like everything is going to plummet. There is still going to be hope. But in order for me to continue to buy this market, I would need to see a double break. Unless there is a, if I don't see this double break, there is no way, just simply no way that I'll continue to buy. That's how simple this actually is. So I'll just do this. If I see this double break, cool. If I don't, then it's also cool. I will just not force anything. So all I'm doing in the meantime is I'm waiting. If you want to learn the strategy, click the first link in the description. There is a free newsletter. I'm curious to see if I have anything GXAI related. Not particularly, but that's also completely fine. And that's how it looks like for me right now, at least. So if you want to learn the strategy, click the first link below.